Perfect.
Okay.
Minister, draconian laws never make society safer, no more than the war on terror hasn't brought us any nearer to world peace. In fact, it's actually destabilised the situation beyond anything we've experienced before. And I think your own introduction acknowledges the fact that gangland activity and dissident activity, as it is called, has not been curtailed by any of the draconian legislation that is already on the statute books and that you want to keep there. If you want to deal with the root cause of gangland crime and organised crime, then you've got to tackle the social issues that cause it. If you want to deal with the terrorist activities, then you've got to deal with the conditions that breed them, including conditions in the prisons, which are at a very difficult stage at the moment. And instead, what the state has done is chosen a knee-jerk reaction, an anti-democratic, anti-human rights stance with the curtailment of democratic rights. And I want to put on the record that, in my opinion, curtailing democratic rights is never acceptable. A trial by jury is a fundamental human right as far as I'm concerned. It's an entitlement of every citizen and backing up the proposition that someone should be innocent until proven guilty. Now, I was involved in a case earlier this year, a conviction from the Special Criminal Court, which was overturned in the Court of Criminal Appeal. A young man, Sean Farrell, a cabinet maker from Crumlin, who was convicted on the basis of the Offences Against the State Act, Section 3.2, which states that where an officer of An Garda Síochána,
1 minute left.
not below the rank of Chief Superintendent, in giving evidence states that he believes that the accused is a member of an unlawful organisation, that statement shall be evidence that he was such a member. Now, this conviction was overturned. That is absolutely unbelievable. Hearsay evidence which cannot be cross-examined. That's not acceptable for anybody. If you have the evidence, try it in open court with a jury of somebody's peers. In actual fact, it's a statement of a lack of confidence in An Garda Síochána. If the Gardaí weren't policing residents in Corrib, they might be tackling some gangs who are causing some of these difficulties. The only justification that has been put forward is the idea of jury intimidation, which hasn't happened, and which there are other vehicles of dealing with that and measures which other states put in place. So I think it is an incredibly unfair, unjust, undemocratic and anti-human rights provision which any right-thinking citizen would oppose, and it's ineffective and costly as well.
Thank you.